2. Got this one here. Look at this beautiful entrance. Almost tripped there. Ignore that. And here's our elevator. Elevatec. Here it is. That's a cool ceiling. And it's got older buttons. I guess that's Spanish nudge mode. Puerta abierto. Shit, I'm so bad at remembering my Spanish vocab. Trust me, I'm getting there, but it's a learning process. All right, back down. I believe these are old Schaefer fixtures. What is that? Oh, it's a door open button. They just put it sideways. Here's the bumpy, typical for the typical for your Spanish 2-speed. I love this building. The elevator's not anything too interesting, but the building's gorgeous. I like that ceiling though. It's probably 80s or 90s. Geez, it yells at you if you hold the door for too long. Duly noted. Anyway, that's it.